It's that time of year again. Shawano County Library welcomes you to the 2025 Summer Reading Program. This year's theme is Color Our World. There are lots of creative and colorful activities to look forward to this summer. Join us for our Summer Reading Kickoff Party on Tuesday, June 3rd at the library. There will be book bingo and supplies to decorate your very own book bag. The library has some special guest performers and presenters this summer that are sure to entertain. Our first performer this summer is Randy Peterson. Randy will be playing a concert about the colors found all around us. Come sing along at Huckleberry Harbor. The library will be hosting a meet and greet with local author Kelly Nelson. She'll talk about her new book, Brownie the War Dog. There will also be a red, white, and blue craft for you to make. Magician Isaiah Foster will be presenting his show, Color Your World Through Reading, at Huckleberry Harbor. The show is sure to entertain with puppets, juggling, and lots of magic. We also have some great programs both at the library and at Huckleberry Harbor. A new addition this year is Art in a Suitcase. Come learn all about elephants and make your own elephant creation. This event is for ages 6 through 12 and has limited space, so you'll need to pre-register to attend. Get ready to scrunch, twist, and twirl a t-shirt with vibrant colors at our Art in the Park tie-dye event. You need to bring your own t-shirt, and we provide the rest. Ready to get messy? Come to our Colorful Me event. From face painting to spray gun art, there are lots of ways to get colorful. Be sure to wear old clothes for participation in our color fights. Be sure to look for us at the following events. Stop by and say hi to our librarians at the Shawano Early Childhood Partnership's annual kickoff to summer event in Franklin Park. Look for our blanket where we will be sharing stories. You can also see us at the Smalley Beach Bash this summer. We will be hosting creative activities like keychain making, a fun fish craft, and an obstacle course. There are plenty of fun activities to take part in right here in our library. Don't forget to keep reading all summer long. Stop in the library to collect a reading log for summer reading. Kids ages 2 to 12 fill in their log for each day they read and receive a prize for every 10 days of reading. There is even a reading challenge for our little readers under 2. Just how many things can one jar hold? Every week in June and July, there will be a guessing jar at the library filled with artsy items such as pom-poms, crayons, and beads. Make a guess of how many are in the jar, and the child who guesses the closest without going over is the winner. On Wednesdays in June and July, come to the Children's Department at the library for craft creations. Stop by between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. on Wednesday to make a painted butterfly, try salt painting, paint using string, and make Kool-Aid Play-Doh. July is just as packed with crafts. Make flag wands, paint with magnets, tie-dye a coffee filter, and make a beaded bracelet. From July 28th through August 2nd, while supplies last, stop in and grab a mini canvas. Take it home and create a masterpiece. Return it to the Children's Department for an art show. Make some creative jewelry with melted crayons during our tween event. Want to unwind as a family? Join us for yoga. Space is limited for this event, so you will have to pre-register. Tweens ages 8 to 12 come to the library to try out henna body art. Enjoy a snack and get creative. Want to spread your art throughout Shawano? Come paint some rocks at the library to keep, share with friends, or hide all over the community. Our summer fun will wrap up with our Blue Yay Party. Celebrate with your favorite Australian blue dog at Franklin Park with games, crafts, and more inspired by the internationally beloved children's show. The Humane Society will be there also with some furry friends. See you this summer at the library.